Thank you for purchasing the GoGo Elite Traveller 4-wheel from Mobility Plus. Today I will be showing you how to disassemble it and reassemble it. We're going to start by pushing the back of the seat down. You just reach straight down and pull the seat off of the scooter and set it aside. Now we're going to remove the battery. I like to leverage myself by putting my hand on the pole and lifting straight up. It's easy to remove the basket. You just pull straight up. Now we're going to bring the tiller down, and to do so, we're going to take this knob right here and turn it inward toward the scooter. Bring the handle down and tighten it back up. There's a little knob right here in the front that will lock the front wheels. It's important to do that so that when you lift this device into your car, the wheels stay straight and the tiller won't wobble. To remove the back from the front, you're just going to go to this lever right here, pull straight up, and unclick it from the back. Then you can move the back, and you can pick up this part of the vehicle and put it right into your car. Now that we've disassembled the GoGo Elite Traveller 4-wheel, let's reassemble it. Take the front of the scooter and attach it to the back of the scooter by lifting up on the notch or on the lever and lining it up. Now we're going to bring the tiller back up. Again, we're going to unscrew the knob and we're going to bring the tiller back up. You'll feel like increments, like teeth. Make sure that when you tighten the knob that it's in one of those grooves. Make sure then you unlock the front wheel by turning the lever. Put the battery back in by just dropping it in. When I put the seat back on to the Elite Traveller, I like to pick it up from the back of the seat and the very back of the seat this way. It gives me a good opportunity to line up the pole, put the seat back on, bring the seat back up, and put your basket back on. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble the GoGo Elite Traveller 4-wheel.